This is your reading for today. Your cards are adventure and healing. You hear so often, right, that it is you who are wounded, and you think that the whole world is here to hurt you. And you try to heal the wound and you try to work through it, but it is very, very difficult, isn't it? Now, we all know that our brain and our gut are connected with the longest nerve in the body, and this is called the vagus nerve, right? Which is why sometimes, not sometimes, actually always, which is why the stories that go on in our head, we feel it in the gut also. Now, suppose you're trying to attempt something and it is something new. Your brain will tell you it is very difficult and you can't do it. You tried it earlier, you fail, and so on and so forth. And when these thoughts keep rotating in your head, your gut starts feeling uneasy. You start feeling queasy, right? That is how the brain and the gut is connected. The gut is also where the solar plexus is, and it is the seat of confidence, self worth, self esteem. So, with those stories, everything over there, your confidence, self worth, self esteem gets shaken. All right. Spend one entire day without listening to the stories in your head. Just shut it out and see how the entire day proceeds. If somebody has insulted you, just take the insult. Don't react and see how you feel. You will see that the energy has now started flowing into your heart and everything is coming from your heart. The strength and the courage is coming from your heart. So shut the stories for a day that they are rotating in your head. Okay? Why? Why are you being asked to do this? You are being asked to do this because there is a new adventure that awaits you. To explore that adventure, you need to become like that small child, a child who does not know where they are going, a child who does not know anything for sure but is pulled towards that adventure. It's like that it's a forest and there is a rainbow and the light is calling to you, but you cannot see anything beyond that light. What is behind that light? Why is it calling me? What if I go there? What will happen if I go there? Nothing. But like the small child, you are being asked to go on this adventure. And I wanted to read out a few lines to you from the Zen philosophy. Please listen to this carefully, and it is connected to the path that you are being asked to take. Okay? On this path, if you go, knowledge is certain. Is it going to be safe? The reading doesn't tell you anything, and Zen will tell you that only danger is guaranteed, that much is certain. The search is going to be dangerous, there is going to be sacrifice, but it is going to help you grow. Are you ready?